Okay, so you're going to go back to your ideas that we had for our opinion writing, which is in the writing part of It's Learning. So it says Writ Comp from your homepage. Then once you get here, you can press the Start button, and it will load. So remember, we've done 3 parts so far that were on the computer. So our first part, opinion ideas, that was 3 ideas of people or places or things that you could write your opinion about. If you click the next arrow, we did some free writing. Okay, so free writing was where we just started getting our ideas out on paper. And then we did this, the boxes and bullets. So if you click on boxes and bullets draft to open that up, you should see what you started working on last week. So you should have what your thesis is, so your opinion statement, and you should have your 3 pieces of evidence that go with it. So you can use this to start actually writing what your opinion is going to be. So when you click on the boxes and bullets draft, you should have something that looks like this done. This is mine, so your opinion will probably be different. But I should have my thesis and my 3 pieces of evidence. So now what we're going to do today is we're going to actually start drafting our full sentences personal essay. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom. Okay, so there's a second one. You might have filled it out. You can use either any thesis that you want. So if you do want to change it, that's fine too. But make sure that when you're writing today, when you're drafting, we always want to start our draft with saying what our thesis is. So I would start with, cats are the best pets to have. And then I would go into my reasons. So reason number 1 was they take care of you. Cats can take care of themselves. Now I don't just want to keep going here. What I want to do is I want to give some specific examples. So we did work on that last week, but it was a paper copy, so you may not remember what you said. I will try and take a picture of it and upload it. So I would think of some specific examples of when cats can take care of themselves. So cats don't need to go outside to go to the bathroom. They pee in a litter box. Okay, so that's one example. And then I could get even more specific. I could say more examples, or I could tell a story that is related to cats taking care of themselves. So I can also think cats don't need a bath because they clean themselves. My cat, now I'm going to tell a specific story that's related to it to help people connect. My cat Oscar cleans himself so much that sometimes he gets hairballs. But even though that is gross, it is still much better than having to give him a bath where he might scratch me or bite me. Okay, so what I did was I took my first reason, my first piece of evidence, and then I gave 2 specific examples of how cats can take care of themselves, and I said one little mini story about a cat that I have, a personal experience that I have with my cat. Okay, so basically what I want you to do today is I want you to start taking your thesis and your pieces of evidence and start drafting it with full sentences and add a couple of specific examples in as you're doing it. And like I said, you can do it right on the boxes and bullets paper, which I will link for you.